Hi everybody, welcome back to Rolling Through Life. My name's Wanda, and today's going to be a little bit different video. I'm actually going to attempt a cooking video. I used to go to this restaurant and they had something called the Skilletinis, a chicken Skilletini. It just had the right amount of spices for me, and it was delicious. Every time I'd go to Columbus, I'd pick two up, bring them home, and eat on them the next 4 days. So my daughter found a copycat recipe called Spicy Spaghetti Skilletini. Now I don't have a cast iron skillet, but we're going to attempt this without it. So let's go over the ingredients that we need. Okay, the first thing we need is boneless chicken breast. It doesn't really call for a certain amount, but I'm using 2 pounds. I like a lot of chicken, so I have 2 pounds of that. I'll need 4 cloves of garlic, minced up. I need crushed red pepper. I need a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper. Of course, we need spaghetti. You need olive oil, an onion, your favorite marinara sauce. I've got the Prego's Farmers Market. It says 3 to 4 cups. This is 23.5 ounces, so it's approximately 3 cups. And then, of course, to top it off when we're finished is the mozzarella cheese. So let's get started and prepare our chicken first. Okay, as you can hear, the olive oil is heated up. So the only thing I want to do with this chicken is I kind of want to sear it on both sides, just to start it cooking. And then once I have a nice little brownness to both sides, I'm going to throw it in the oven to finish cooking. That way I can get on the sauce while this is cooking. So when I'm ready to turn it over, I'll be back. Okay, we got the chicken browned up a little bit, so we are going to throw it in the oven. That'll take about 15 or 20 minutes. So I'm going to prep the vegetables and get them ready to fry up. Okay, I have the onions chopped, which they're kind of, like bite-sized pieces. Got the red and green peppers and the minced garlic. I hope that's minced. I don't know. I just figured garlic needs to be really fine. So what we're going to do, I'm letting the pan heat up. This is what the chicken was fried in. So I'm just going to use the same pan. It's got olive oil in it. And then we need to kind of saute the onions till they're kind of translucent. Break some of that up. And when I have that pretty much at the ready point, we will add the red and green peppers. Okay, now we have the onions are nice and caramelized. The red and green bell peppers are nice and, not real soft. Got a little crunch to them, but they're softer. So now I'm going to add in the minced garlic. And when you start ooh, that smells so good. There's a little bit of the onions, but that's not, it's not going to hurt anything. So I'm going to let that saute for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I put my marinara sauce in here, and then I dumped in the peppers and onions, and then it calls for crushed red pepper. My daughter said a teaspoon for her was too much, and it probably would be too much for me. So I'm just putting in a little pinch. If it needs more heat later, I can put that in. But I'm going to let this simmer for 10 minutes while I get the chicken cut up. And when the chicken's cut up, I'll be right back. In the meantime, I have the water getting ready for the spaghetti. So I'll be back as soon as the chicken is cut up. Okay, actually 2 pieces of chicken will be fine. I'm just going to freeze the other 2 and it'll be a quick, easy meal another day. So I need to stir this in. Let that simmer a little bit, and then when the noodles are done, I will come back and plate it up for you. Okay, the spaghetti is done. Now we're going to take some of this and put on top of it. Should be good. All right. Let's do a taste test. Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks yummy. Smells good too. Now let's see if it's close to what I've had before. Some of the sauce and a piece of chicken. I think I need to add a little bit more heat, but it's not bad. It tastes almost like the restaurants, not quite, but it's a really good substitution for a business that yeah, went out of business. So I'm gonna enjoy making this. I'm gonna freeze up the rest after I add a little bit more heat and let it sit. But yeah, really good. I will put the link to the recipe down below, and enjoy. And if you want to see more videos of me cooking, which probably won't be that often, but when I do, let me know down below and tell me what you think of this dish. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see y'all later. Bye.